Habakrana kajiyalang pedang buram ke National People's Party hakono apai sengi jonga khatlai trigunai luar ajar pulai yo MLA berim ke Mausenram Bah Himalaya Shang Priang ubadang sue no ek Bharatiya Janata Party dangshen National President ke NPP Conrad ke sangma ubadeiru menteri rangba ke jela ul aiman siem but ai kublai ya baro kibala syarem haka election MLA ajar pulai kibala ya khon na ke party Ulaong, baka parti hadian henru benai ke election kan sa syong ya thirbha ya ki daw syarem bat ban penklanya ke parti nang ni sekhmat. Kidon bun ngot ki kertong ke NPP ki bala syarem ha ke election MLA ke bala dam ki bala wan ban sahilang ha ke digesngi. Halor jingwan penyaso Bah Himalaya Shang Priang nakaliang Conrad ulaong baka NPP ke syem yo Bah Hima kumu Atiar ban trei ban yalam syakmat ya ke NPP. Kiwei pat ki belaya don lang nalor Conrad ki sangma ki kentup yo Dr. Didi Lapang unang ai jingmut ke sorkar uba prestun tensong berubah senyawa halang dahar ki beri sembut menteri rangba u Dr. WR Kharluki State President ke NPP Meghalaya lembat kiwei pat.
I also would like to take this opportunity to talk to all our workers and our leaders who are here. I know elections have just got over. It's been now 6 months. I think we have enough rest now. And therefore, I think we need to start our activities again. So I would want our President of the state, and as a national president would like to direct our state president, that reorganization of the units, the blocks, the committees, the frontal organizations must happen now immediately. We've had 6 months of rest. Now it's time to get back to work. We must organize the party. We must activate it. We must ensure that all the blocks, wherever elections have held, reviews must be held. We must call for review all the results that took place, in which polling station, in which particular area, what happened, why it happened, what did we expect, what went according to our expectations and what did not. It's important to do a background, complete a post-mortem on the elections and have a report. And I would like to urge that we should call a meeting, call all our candidates who had contested in the last election, take a report and make sure that all our organizations are henceforth activated so that we are able to make the party grow in the future, keeping in mind so many organizational aspects, activities, issues, as well as elections that are coming in the future. I also would like to share with you that as a political party, you're all aware that we are all over the Northeast. And we have got great response from the people of the Northeast because people see us as one of the only political parties that speaks on the issues of the Northeast and the people of the Northeast, be it the tribals or any other indigenous community that is there in the Northeast part of India. And no other political party takes up issues the way we do. And hence, keeping those aspects in mind, we are having a great response in many of the Northeast states. And keeping in mind the general elections that are coming up, I can share with you that we have started doing a lot of homework in terms of how we should move forward in these elections. And of course, it's too early for me to share those details with you, though we have done a lot of homework. I just wanted to share that we are not keeping quiet. There's a lot of things happening in the background, and you will see a lot of activities and decisions and positions we will take coming the Lok Sabha elections in 2024. But I think what is important to note is that in politics, and in service to our state and service to our people, we need to continuously move forward. You cannot be comfortable thinking that where you are fine. Never let the comfort get to your head and realize that you think you are in charge and you can do anything you want. I think it's important to realize that there has to be kind of a hunger inside the organization to want to grow, to want to move forward. If we are here today, let's go 10 steps forward tomorrow and continuously make efforts. And today's event is a testimony to that kind of a mindset that we share in the party, where we are not, going to just sit down and say that, well, this is it. We would like the party to grow from strength to strength. And today I'm very happy to have Bah Hima, again a person, not just because he's a person I know very well, a friend of mine, but because of the qualities that he has. We have seen him in the assembly sessions. We have seen him how he is somebody who can really express and articulate and bring out the issues and concerns of the people. Even though It may mean that he's, bringing it out in an aggressive manner. But the point is, he's not doing it for any personal reasons, but he's doing it, or he was doing it at a point in time to bring out the issues of the people. And I really appreciate that. A person who used to do his homework and be able to express, I think it's a great asset for the party. And I'm sure that we will be able to gain a lot from the joining of Bah Hima as a leader, and also his entire supporters coming in and joining us will be a great boost to the party. And once again, I welcome him and welcome each and every one of you to the family of the National People's Party.